Hi, today I have contest prizes, so I hope you'll stick around. Hi, and welcome back to the Schuylkill River Valley. I'm John. Just about a month ago, our cousin Vinny, that's BNSF 6951, and Yankee Dabbler celebrated 1 year of their business association. As part of the celebration, they held a giveaway, and I was lucky enough to win the HO Scale Prize. The prize actually arrived last week, but this is the first time I've had a chance to open it and record it, and I didn't want to open it without recording it. So let's take a look. All right. So now let's see what we've got in here. Actually, I already know what it is, but I have been dying to actually see it. So let's just get this open. Right. And let's see, we've got VinnyVid Productions card with a nice congrats and thank you. Thank you, Vinny. And here we go. We've got a Walthers mainline. What do we got here? It's a 40-foot USRA wood boxcar, which was originally undecorated, but not anymore. So let's see what we have here. And here we have the BNSF 6951 and Yankee Dabbler USRA 40-foot boxcar. Got to say, these decals are beautiful. If I'm not mistaken, Ron Brights made them. I could be wrong with that, but they're absolutely gorgeous. And Vinny did an excellent job putting them on the car. The car feels like it's well weighted. I will likely be replacing the couplers with KDs. But other than that, it looks like it's ready to run. I was actually expecting some minor assembly. I thought I was going to have to install the trucks and the couplers, but it looks like they're already here. So I will end up doing another video when I get this onto the layout and get it running. But I wanted to get this video out now since I just had a chance to open it. Vinny and Bob from Yankee Dabbler, I really want to thank you guys. This is really an awesome car. It looks great, and it's definitely going to see some real time on my layout, although probably spend most of the time on a display shelf. Once again, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. This car means a lot to me. Vinny, I love your channel. I think you know that by now. And I think it's really a great association that you and Bob have. Here's to many more years. Thanks, everybody, for spending some time with me today. And I'll be back at a future date and show this car right here, running around on my layout. And I'm going to get some decent close-up photographs here in just a minute, and I'll add them on to the end of this video. Vinny and Bob, thanks again. I really appreciate it. I'm going to put links to both of their channels in my description. And I encourage you to head on over to Yankee Dabbler and check out their stock. And don't forget to use the BNSF 6951 discount code. Guys, once again, thanks a lot. And everybody, have a great day.